Hello students, welcome to Sai Study Center. We are now seeing about the mental ability series. In that continuation, today we are going to see some other interesting topic called direction. Generally, it is a tricky one. Suddenly, they will ask the person is facing X, X is facing the direction of east. He turns clockwise and again turns anti-clockwise in some angles. Now, what is the direction he is facing? Generally, it is a twisting and tricky question where it is a chances of making committing mistakes is more common in this part. So, with a few tricks and tips, I'll help you to solve this problem very quickly. So, let's move on to the video. See, there are four directions. You all know that north, east, west, and south. These are all called as primary direction. And there are certain secondary directions which can also be called as cardinal direction. So in between north and east, you have northeast. East and south, you have southeast. South and west in between southwest. And north and west in between, you have northwest. With this only, you are going to this diagram should be there. You should, in a very quick matter of seconds, you have to draw this diagram and you can solve the topics given. So let's get connected with a few examples. Then it is very easy when I explain you with an example. See, a question says that a man is facing, okay, let me pick my pen. A man is facing northwest. He turns 90 degree in the clockwise direction and then 135 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. What is the direction is he facing now? So we have to check that in which direction the person is facing now. So first we have to draw this diagram. So it is very clear that where this person is there. So let me mark, it is said that it is northwest. So I can mark this is the position where my person is standing. The person is standing at the position A. So he turns to 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So this is clockwise direction. So each part, it is a 90 degree, right? Okay. So then this is a dividing the angle, bisecting the angle. So I can conclude this with each with a 45 degree. So when we say that the person is moving to 90 degree, then from this position to he is moving to this position. So this 95, this 45 and this 45 together he has moved now 90 degree. Okay. And what is the statement says that now from that position 135 degrees he is turning in the anti-clockwise direction. What is the 135 degree? So from this to this 90, 90 plus 45. So from this position, the person is moving to this position. So this is a 90 plus 35, 135. So now the person is facing the direction of west. From north east to the person changed his position. From northwest to he has changed the position of west. So this is how we can easily crack the problem. So if they have given some directions or some angles, we can do. Instead of that, if they are given in a distance, what to do? Come, let's move on to the next one. Okay, now we'll see this type of a problem. A man walks 1 kilometer towards east and then he turns to south and walks 5 kilometers. Again, he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. After this, he turns to north and walks 9 kilometers. Now, how far he is from the starting position? So we have to draw the diagram. They have given some data and the distance. So based on this, we will work out. So a person is started to walk. Generally, towards the east, he is walking. So I'm just drawing. From this position, the person has started to walk. So this is 1 kilometer he is moving. Then he turns towards the south. So before starting this type of a problem, you have a common diagram here. This is your north, this is your south, this is your east, and this is your west. So at least the primary direction, you just like in the map drawing, you will put that direction. So likewise, make a hint. So this is the starting position we can say. From this position, the person started. Say the person A started to walk from his. So from this towards the east, he is walking up to 1 kilometer. Then he started to turn to south. So downward. If I move in this direction, then it is the south direction. So here he has walked 5 kilometers. Then again, he turns to east. So the same one. He turns, not re. So he is turning towards east by walking 2 kilometers. So he is keep on walking. Then he started towards north 9 kilometers. So he is keep on moving like this up to north. He has moved. So after this question, he has moved 9 kilometers. Now let's mark this. What is the how far he is from the starting point? So this is the starting point. This is the end point. So how far he is? Just name this question. From A to B he walked. Then from C. Then from D. Then so the maximum, the distance how he is from the initial position. If I join this line, this is his position. So now you just draw this in between gap by a dotted line and you name here as here. See, it is look like now a triangle. Pythagoras there. So you want to find out your AE square, right? What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So here it is AE squared, which is equal to AF squared plus BF squared. So from the diagram, we are going to measure the value. So we don't know what is AE. That is what we are going to calculate. What is AF? AF is nothing but AB plus BF, right? AB plus BF. What is AB? It is the first data given in our question. That is, he walks up to 1 kilometer plus EF. We don't know separately EF, but what we can write? DE, the total distance he covered, minus EF. When we subtract that, what will get done? EF we will get, or FE we will get. The square. What is AB? This is the 1 kilometer. What is BF? BF is like we have made a opposite side. So this is also, they said that he walked up to 5, then only he walked up to 9 kilometers. So opposite sides are equal. So it is like a rectangle. So you can add these two. So it is 1 plus 3, sorry, 1 plus 2, it results 3. You will get 3 square. What is the totally 9? What is this 5? FE is 5 because in the question he said that again he turns to east and walk 2 kilometers. After this he is turned towards 9 kilometers. So when we close this one, so these two sides are opposite sides and have an equal distance. So GF also 5. So 9 minus 5 we will get 4 square. So it is nothing but 9 plus 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 16. So it is totally 25. So we want to get what is our AE now. So AE is nothing but square root of the value what we have received. So it is nothing but square root of 25. What is the square root of 25? 5. So we can say that from the starting position, the man is standing at 5 kilometers. So from initial position to the position where he stands now, having the distance of 5 kilometers. So this is how you have to go with when simple direction, and they said that it is, they simply said that in this problem turn towards south east, so you can easily find out. There are certain problems which will say instead of south east or that clock right hand side of the person, he turns to his right or he turns to his left. So we have to imagine from where he is walking, and if it is towards left means how he will turn, towards right means how he will turn. We have to have a little bit of imagination also. Now we'll go with another problem. A person, Anamika, is facing west. she turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction. See, now it is a combination. They said that the person is facing west and she turns 45 degree in the clockwise and then 180 degree in the same direction. So again, she is turning towards 180 degree in the same direction. That means she is using the same clockwise direction. And 270 degree, after reaching that 180 degree, again she is turning to 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Now she is facing which direction? That's our question. So we have to draw the primary and the secondary direction. So this time we will draw. The first time I have inserted the picture. This time we will draw. This is nothing but your north. Northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. This person is standing in the position of facing west. So she is here. From this to, she is moving on to 45 degree. We know that when she started to move 45 degree in the clockwise direction. So this is the clockwise direction for her. So she has moved 45 degree here. And then 180 degree in the same direction. So 180 degree means again 145, again one completely. This is 90 and again 145. So she has reached here. She's traveled clockwise. From here, she started to travel back 270 degree. See what is the total amount she has traveled here? 145 degree. And again, what is the value? She's traveled 180 degree. Now you add these two. So she has traveled in the clockwise direction. So 225 degree she has already turned out. So now she wants to turn to 270. So from here, what is the anti-clockwise direction from here? If she traveled in this direction, then this is called anti-clockwise direction. Okay. When she reached from this position, if she reached the same initial position, she might have again traveled back 225. So now get subtracted from 270 minus 225. What is the angle she has to move now? So it is nothing but 45 degrees. When we subtract this, it is 45 degrees. Again, she has to move 45 degrees from the opposite direction of this. So she has moved the 45 degree here. So now she is facing the direction of, what is this direction will be? Southwest. So now the direction facing by her is southwest. Okay. So this is how we have to go with the problem. Students, I hope this will be helpful to crack some of the problems. When you keep on practicing yourself, definitely it will be helpful to you to solve the problems in a quick manner. Thank you. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.